Hello dear friends, come close, don't fear, a splashing tale begins right here. The ocean sings, the waves crash loud, Bluey runs fast across the crowd. Her paws kick sand, her tail swings free, she spots the sparkling, rolling sea. She dives right in, the water cool, she swims and laughs, a happy rule. But oh! A shadow, dark and wide, it moves below, it cuts the tide. Two fins rise up, the waves turn fast, a giant shark has come at last. Its jaws snap loud, the sea turns wild, Bluey gasps quick, no longer mild. She kicks her paws, she swims with might, the shark gives chase, a fearsome sight. It thrashes waves, it splashes high, the seagulls scream across the sky. Bluey darts left, then zips back right, she sparkles bright in ocean light. Her heart beats quick, her breath feels tight, she must escape this scary fight. Yet still, dear friends, we call to you, for more brave tales and laughter too. So join the fun, don't miss the run, like this video and subscribe my channel, everyone. Bluey dives deep, the bubbles flow, the shark swims fast, its eyes still glow. But she finds rocks, a coral wall, she slips inside a cave so small. The shark swims past, it thrashes loud, its tail slaps waves, it stirs the crowd. Bluey peeks out, her eyes shine bright, she waits until it's out of sight. Then up she swims, the waves turn calm, the sunlight warms, the sea feels balm. Her paws splash high, she laughs again, the shark is gone, the fear will end. She floats on back, her eyes to sky, the clouds drift soft, the gulls drift by. Her heart slows down, her breath grows light, she smiles again, the world feels right. The shore shines close, the sand so near, her friends all clap, they give a cheer. Bluey waves back, her tail held high, she's safe once more beneath the sky. So friends, remember, brave hearts stay, through storm or wave, through night or day. Come back again for journeys new, Bluey sends her courage to you.